If you need to translate text in Microsoft Word quickly, this video will walk you through the built-in translation features step by step. Whether you're working on school documents, business files, or personal writing, Word makes it easy to translate selected text without leaving the app. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a moment to find the exact text you want to translate. You can translate a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even longer sections depending on your needs. To begin, select the text you want translated by clicking and dragging over it with your mouse. This highlights the content and tells Word exactly what you want to work with. After selecting the text, go up to the top of the screen and click the Review tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps a lot of useful editing and language tools, including spelling, comments, and translation features. Once you're in the Review tab, look for the Translate option. Depending on your version of Word, it may appear as a button in the ribbon or inside a language-related section. Click Translate and you'll see translation options appear. From there, choose Translate Selection. This option is the one you want when you only need to translate a specific part of the document instead of the entire file. After selecting Translate Selection, Microsoft Word will process the text and show the translation on the right-hand side of the screen. This is really useful because you can compare the original text and the translated version side by side before making any changes. Take a look at the translated text and make sure it matches what you need. If necessary, you can copy the translation and paste it into your document or use it as a reference while editing. This is especially helpful if you're translating for a report, email, presentation, or assignment and want to keep the formatting clean and simple. One important thing to remember is that Word's translation feature is designed for convenience, so it's always a good idea to review the result for accuracy, tone, and context. Machine translations are fast, but they can sometimes miss nuance, so a quick check can make a big difference. If you want, you can repeat these same steps for other parts of the document as well. Just select a different section, go back to Review, click Translate, and choose Translate Selection again. That makes it easy to work through a full document piece by piece without having to translate everything at once. And that's really all there is to it. Open your document, select the text, go to Review, click Translate, and use Translate Selection to see your translation on the right side of the screen. It's a simple built-in feature that can save you time and help you work in multiple languages more efficiently. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.